hold on.
Look! A bag!
Do you know what that is, Sarah?
A bag! A bag! Wow, this is cool as a bag. Look at this.
Those are some nice fuzzy sheets for your bed. Can you open another present?
Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, Liam got a Mainer couch.
Is that Major?
Liam.
What's this?
And I got a purple couch.
Oh, that's your old couch, Sarah. Mommy just brought it in here for you to sit on.
Whoa. That's cool.
Yeah, that helps you practice your letters, Sarah. Watch.
Look what is in here. Liam, look what's in here.
Touch a letter to learn
Liam.
how to write it.
Liam, look what's in here.
We'll get it out later. Open some more presents.
Whistle.
Whoa, look at this. What's inside it?
Touch a letter to learn how to write
What you got, Liam?
He's looking at the viewing screen.
Fishies.
Fishies. Yay.
Dad, fishies. Fishes. We're gonna open later. After we get home.
Liam, let me see that. What?
Wow, what's inside this
Wait,
one?
what?
No, those are brothers. The yellow ones are brothers.
And mine's are blue.
Hey, Matt. She's got the taped one.
What is it? Choo-choo.
Surprise it, you gotta open it.
I can't.
You wanna open one of your presents, Liam?
Liam,
Here.
your presents.
Here, Sarah. Let me see.
Look, come here.
What's inside it?
Look at, oh.
Hey, open a different present. We'll open this one later.
You wanna open that one? Keep going.
What is it?
Sarah, come on. Try not to get your head in the way.
And then my poo-poo. And then my blue one. Wow, look at this one. What is this? Puppies.
Kitty.
Okay, open it all up. I can see.
What is
Here.
this one?
You gotta open all the paper, buddy. Take all the paper off.
These? What are these?
Whoa, would you look at them instead of flash them around?
What are they?
PJs.
You know, what's on the front?
What's that? Kitty. I opened this
Kitty.
Pet the kitty.
one.
Pet the kitty.
Pet it. Like this.
You gotta push down on her. No. We don't squeeze the kitty's head. We pet the kitty's back.
Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Help.
Help what?
You want to sit
A
over the back?
puzzle. Puzzle.
No, that's a, it's not a puzzle.
That's how you put together. That's how you have to put together.
Liam, you want to open another present?
Ooh.
There is a tent
Here,
that
Liam.
fits on your bed.
Liam. There you go, play.
Yeah. Liam, we have to open more presents.
Look at the mess you're making.
This.
Go ahead, keep opening. You got more presents.
Hi.
Hi.
I have 2 more.
I see you.
I do. Hi.
Bye.
Whoa. There's presents.
Sarah, you quit knocking those ornaments off that tree.
I see you. What's inside it?
I don't know. You better open it.
Whoa, a baby. Hi. 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 Baby. Bye.
Bye.
Baby. Baby. Dad, that's a baby. A
Is it
baby. 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 Baby! Baby!
Hey, Sarah.
What?
Stick your hand in there and give baby her pacifier.
Hi. Shh.
Dad!
Screw.
Dad!
His ears.
You see the pacifier on her?
Woo, woo.
Take the pacifier and put it in her mouth.
I can't do it.
Stick your hand in there and put the pacifier in the baby's mouth.
Not in your mouth.
No, the pacifier.
Oh, buddy, I'm trying to
Oops.
find the knife.
See the pacifier? Put it in the baby's mouth. Is that cool? Hey, open your nice present. Well, I don't know. You're going to have to open it to find out.
This is the big one. I thought I need a whole line. I thought I put the whole line. Wow, what's that?
What's it look like?
This is for my pillow. My pillow twisted.
It's a comforter for your bed. It's got princesses all over it.
Yeah.
It'll go with your princess tent and your pretty heart sheets.
Dad, look what I found. This is my bed. It's princess.
The princess is for your bed?
Yeah, that's my pillow princess for my bed.
Do you like it?
Oh! Did we share that kitty?
I suppose you'll probably be allowed to play with the kitty on occasion. Oh, did you see this, Sarah?
Yeah.
It's in your tent.
Be careful, Evan. Okay?
Did Santa bring you good toys, Sarah?
Yeah, my present. Where's my other present?
Oh, that's all your presents. Now we gotta watch Brother open his presents, okay?
Ma'am, all your presents. Mom.
Oh, look at it. What is
Whoa.
What is it? Show Mommy. What is it? Veggie Tales. It's a movie.
Yeah. It looks like a game too.
Okay, it's just a movie though.
Look, Ma'am.
She going in your stocking?
I found my little apples. I saw this is my apple. Apple! Whoa, look at that sound. Apple!
Oh, yeah. Our apple's alright.
A red apple? Apple! Then Santa bought it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Santa bought it for me, Daddy.
Ready?
craziest.